Guys, it's been nearly 10 years, almost a full decade of building this YouTube channel and DAP University. And lately, I've been realizing something. It's time for a new chapter. So in this video, I want to reflect on the last 10 years, how all this started, how it grew far beyond anything I ever imagined, what I've learned about building a business on the internet, and where I think things are headed next. Not just for me personally, but for this channel, DAP University, and the kind of work that I want to be doing going forward. So let's start off at the beginning. You know, like a lot of other people, I got first interested in blockchain because I saw cryptocurrency prices going up like crazy. All right. So around 2012 or 2013, Bitcoin caught my attention early, but unfortunately, I didn't act on it at the time. There's lots of reasons. I'm sure lots of you watching this video have a similar story, but one thing that was really occupying my attention at the time was actually learning how to code. All right. I was beginning my software development journey at about the same time, and so I was really focused on that. And the funny thing about how that started was I actually applied to a coding boot camp to learn how to code, but I got rejected. All right. So, massive blow, but it actually forced me to do something that helped lay the foundation for this channel, because back then I had to learn the hard way, on my own. I spent hundreds of hours consuming tutorials, building projects, freelancing, and finding mentors that took my skills to a professional level. Okay. And I eventually got there. I started working with larger teams, building complex internet infrastructure, and growing into a senior engineer. All right. And then 2017 rolled around, right? Crypto had kind of fallen into the back of my mind, but it came into my radar in a huge way. But this time it wasn't just about prices. All right. I did see the prices going up, but then when I looked deeper into it, I wasn't going to let the opportunity pass me by this time. I discovered Ethereum and smart contracts, and I realized that this was an entirely new way to build software on the internet. And so I went all in. All right. I gathered everything that I could to learn about this technology. But when I was doing that, there was one major problem. All right. Learning blockchain was incredibly hard at the time. There was almost no good educational resources out there online. And so once again, I found myself learning everything the hard way. And that's where the idea for DAP University came from. I wanted to create the learning resources that I wish that I had when I was getting started. And so near the end of 2017, at the beginning of 2018, that's when I started this YouTube channel. And honestly, I had no idea what it would eventually become. I spent the next several years building the channel brick by brick through a bear market while simultaneously freelancing in blockchain, building apps for startups, launching products, and going deeper into the industry. Eventually, I launched the Blockchain Bootcamp to package everything that I learned into a structured step-by-step training, and the response completely blew me away. And before I knew it, DAP University had evolved from a YouTube channel just doing tutorials into a real business. We launched more trainings, we built a team, we scaled the company, we went live every single day on YouTube, and helped train developers all across the world. And honestly, one of the most fulfilling parts of this entire journey has been helping students actually break into the blockchain industry. That part has always meant a lot to me. But through all of this, one thing has remained constant. Technology keeps changing. The internet changes, software changes, markets change. And over the years, I've constantly adapted alongside those changes, which brings me to this next chapter. Because, over the last year or so, I found myself building a lot more again, especially around AI and emerging technologies. And somewhere along the way, I realized something. After years of building independently, I miss collaborating with other highly talented people. I miss being deep in the trenches, solving hard problems together. And I think that realization actually surprised me a lot, because for almost a decade, I've been heads down building independently. What started as tutorials on the internet eventually grew into a business serving hundreds of thousands of developers across the world. And over the years, I've operated across engineering, product, growth, content, sales, systems, hiring, and leadership. I've built teams, shipped products, scaled systems, and grown an internet business from the ground up. And it's been an incredible journey that I'm deeply grateful for. But for the first time in a very long time, I'm open to exploring the right opportunities, especially around, AI tooling and agentic workflows like developer infrastructure and dev tools, product engineering, emerging technology, technical education, growth systems, blockchain, and fintech. Okay. Just to be clear, I'm not just looking for any role. I'm looking for exceptional people working on ambitious problems. And just as importantly, just so we're crystal clear, DAP University is not going anywhere. I'm not disappearing. I'll still be making videos, teaching, building. If anything, this next chapter will make the content even stronger because I'll be able to bring real world experience and new insights back into everything that I teach. So if you're building something interesting or someone who is, my email is down in the description below. And if you've been following this journey for any amount of time, whether you watched a video, joined one of our programs, click the like button, or supported the channel in any way, thank you. Seriously, I wouldn't be here without you guys. And honestly, I'm excited for where this new chapter leads. So that's all I've got for today. Until next time, thanks for watching DAP University.